This plasma pen machine, featuring the plasma pen and ozone plasma handle, delivers skin tightening, repair, and deep purification, helping your skin regain its natural glow. The plasma pen delivers microplasma energy to the skin surface, tightening loose skin, reducing wrinkles, and stimulating collagen regeneration for a firm, youthful look. After use, wrinkles appear reduced, and skin looks firmer and lifted, results you can see immediately. The ozone plasma handle releases ozone plasma to deeply cleanse the skin, reduce bacteria, calm inflammation, and minimize acne and pores, while boosting skin metabolism. Two powerful handpieces, one professional machine to tighten, repair, and purify your skin effortlessly.